This call is now being recorded.
Okay. So today's topic is advantages, disadvantages, and applications of linked list. Okay. So first we will see what are the advantages of linked list. As I told you yesterday, first advantage is size of linked list is not fixed. They can expand, shrink during runtime. As we all know, we can add any number of nodes in the linked list, so its size is definitely not fixed. आपण त्याची साईज आधी डिक्लेअर करत नाही, सो इट कॅन बी एक्सपांड और इट कॅन श्रिंक. Okay. Second advantage is insertion and deletion operations are fast and easier in linked list. Okay. Why they are easier in linked list? Because the address of the node is given in the previous node, so it is easily, we can easily find that node and we can delete it, or we can easily insert a node at three position, that is start, aid, and middle. Okay. third is Third advantage is memory allocation is done during runtime. It means, as I told you, it's a dynamic memory allocation. The memory is allocated only when the node is allocated to that linked list. As the linked list is going to expand, every time the node is going to add in the linked list, and when it is going to add in the linked list, that time only the memory is allocated. Okay, so this is a dynamic memory allocation. Next advantage is data structures like stack, queue, trees can be easily implemented using linked list. Okay. Now, why they are easily implemented using linked list? Because all the three data structures, stack, queue, and trees, don't have a fixed size. Okay. We can mention the size, but we can expand stack, we can expand queue, and we can expand tree also. Okay. So as the expansion is easy, we can use linked list. So these are all the advantages of linked list. Now next is disadvantages of linked list. Memory is more in linked list when compared to arrays, because each node contains a pointer in linked list and it requires extra memory. It means yesterday we have seen that node, त्या नोड मध्ये काय काय होतं, एका बाजूला डेटा होता आणि एका बाजूला काय होतं, पॉइंटर टू द नेक्स्ट नोड. Okay. Due to this, both the fields, the memory required for that node is getting increased. ओके. ॲरे मध्ये आपण काय करायचो, फक्त डेटा एलिमेंट ऍड करायचो, त्याचा ऍड्रेस वगैरे असं काही नव्हतं, कारण ॲरे मध्ये काय व्हायचं, एकानंतर एक एलिमेंट्स ऍड होत जायचे, त्याच्यामुळे ऍड्रेस जो होता तो कन्सिस्टंट होता. इथे काय रॅन्डमली मेमरीमध्ये कुठेही ते स्टोअर होतं, त्याच्यामुळे इट इज नेसेसरी टू मेन्शन विच इज द नेक्स्ट नोड अँड दॅट ऍड्रेस इज गिवन इन द previous node, so it requires extra memory. Some memory is required for the data element and some memory is required for the address of the next node. That's why memory requirement is more in linked list. Next disadvantage is elements cannot be accessed at random in linked list. Why they cannot be accessed random? Because though they are randomly spread in the memory, but we have to find that elements by using the previous node only. When we traverse that linked list, we have to go sequentially by considering the address of the next node. आपण असं कुठेही लगेच ती नोडने सापडू शकणार, जोपर्यंत आपल्याला त्या नोडच्या प्रिव्हियस नोड माहित नाहीये तोपर्यंत आपण त्या नोड पर्यंत नाही जाऊ शकणार. का? कारण तिचा जो ऍड्रेस आहे तो कुठे स्टोअर आहे, प्रिव्हियस नोड मध्ये स्टोअर आहे. ओके. सो रॅन्डमली आपण सर्च करू शकणार नाही. दॅट इज द अनदर डिसएडवांटेज. The last disadvantage is traversing from reverse is not possible in singly linked list. Obviously, it is not possible because addresses are mentioned in the linked list. To the previous one, obviously. Okay, so reverse direction is not possible in singly linked list. So these are the three disadvantages of linked list. Now, the applications of linked list. What are the applications? As I told you, we can easily implement stack, queue, and trees using linked list, as it can easily shrink or expand. Okay. Next application is linked list can be also used to implement graphs. Okay. तिची ऍडजसन्सी लिस्ट रिप्रेझेंटेशन आपण ग्राफच्या वेळेस बघितलं होतं. इट वॉज नथिंग बट अ लिंक लिस्ट. ओके. दॅट टाइम आय हॅव टोल्ड यू that topic is remaining. Okay, so this is that topic. Okay, adjacency list representation आपण त्याचा एक सम पण सॉल्व केलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट इज लिंक लिस्ट कॅन बी यूज टू इम्प्लिमेंट हॅश टेबल्स. हॅश टेबल्स एक इच बकेट ऑफ हॅश टेबल कॅन बी लिंक लिस्ट. आता हॅश टेबल म्हणजे एक अल्गोरिदम आहे डेटा स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये. तुम्हाला आत्ता नाही येतो, तुम्हाला तो डिग्रीला असेल. त्याला हॅश टेबल यूज करतात. that algorithm is used for the sorting purpose. Okay, म्हणजे जसे आपले इन्सर्शन बबल सिलेक्शन ह्याच्या सॉर्टिंग टेक्निक्स होत्या त्याच कॅटेगरी मधला हा एक अल्गोरिदम असतो जिथे हॅश टेबल्स यूज होतात. सो तिथे सुद्धा आपण लिंक लिस्ट यूज करू शकतो. ओके, सो these are the applications of linked list.